The Bombay Stock Exchange, Asia's oldest stock exchange, was formed in 1875 as the Native Share and Stockbrokers Association with 318 members. The BSE then launched its benchmark index, the S&P BSE Sensex, the country's first equity index in 1986. Sensex's first big milestone was when it reached a 4-digit mark for the first time on 25th of July 1990. Back in the 90s, when the Sensex was growing in the 1000s, all the action took place in the iconic trading ring of the BSE building in Mumbai. Traders would assemble each morning with a pen and a notebook, ready for the cacophony that would follow. Jobbers and brokers traded using hand signs and screaming out prices and stocks to be bought and sold. Buying and selling of shares has evolved over time. Pens and notebooks have been replaced by computers and software for traders to mark their trades. The BSE ring wears a calmer look now as daily trades are no longer executed there. Listing ceremonies and bell ringing on special occasions is what the ring is now used for. The Sensex's journey to 50,000 has been an exciting one. The index reached the 5,000 milestone just before the close of the previous century on 11th October 1999. 6 years later, on 7th of February 2006, the Sensex closed above 10,000 for the first time. In slightly over a year, the 20,000 milestone was crossed in December 2007, but reaching the next 10,000 was a tougher task. Finally, on 4th March 2015, 8 years later, the 30,000 mark was breached. Aided by political sentiments, the Sensex reached new highs every few months since 2016, with investors betting big on the Indian economy. The 40,000 mark was reached just 2 years back on 23rd May 2019 when the Lok Sabha elections were announced and the Modi government got a second term with an overwhelming majority. The journey to 50,000 has seen its ups and downs. The Ketan Parekh and Harshad Mehta scams rocked investor confidence. The victory of the first UPA government in 2004 shook the markets that feared reforms being stalled by a coalition government. The 2008 financial crisis shook India too. Bomb blasts, scams, global recession, domestic political uncertainty have not stopped the Sensex from standing back on its feet and reaching new highs. Here's to the next 50,000.